In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PMax on RSI with Tillson in TradingView Pro. To follow along, make sure you're already logged in to your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work, so just pick the chart you normally use for your analysis. Once your chart is visible on the screen, we're ready to start adding the indicator. First, move your mouse to the top of the chart area and look for the Indicators button. It's usually located in the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply any script or tool available on TradingView. Inside that window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on the search box to activate it. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you want to use. In this case, type in PMax on RSI with Tillson. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the available indicators, so you should see it appear in the list of results below the search field. When you see PMax on RSI with Tillson in the results, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You'll notice a panel appear, usually below the main price chart, showing the RSI-based indicator with the PMax and Tillson elements already configured. If it doesn't show up immediately, just make sure it's checked in your indicator list on the chart. From here, you can customize the indicator settings by hovering over its name on the chart panel and clicking the settings icon. That allows you to adjust things like lengths, smoothing, colors, and visibility to match your personal trading style or make it easier to read. Spend a moment tweaking the visuals so the lines and signals are clear against your chart background. If you want to unlock all the features I'm using, including more saved layouts, alerts, and faster data, I recommend upgrading to TradingView Pro using the affiliate link in the video description. It gives you access to more tools and a smoother experience, which is especially helpful when you're stacking multiple indicators like this on your charts. Once everything is set up, take a few minutes to scroll back through price history and see how PMax on RSI with Tillson behaves. That way, you'll start to get comfortable reading its signals and integrating it into your existing strategy.